Right now, when it comes to electric vehicles, Tesla is definitely the leading company. In terms of electric vehicles, it is in a much better position than any other automotive manufacturing company. Tesla's products always really stand out within the industry. Last year, Tesla announced their new 4680 batteries, which are currently being designed as of this moment. If it goes as planned, there would absolutely be no competition left for Tesla batteries. It would be game over for every other battery cell supplier. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will tell you all there is to know about Tesla's brand new 4680 batteries. Why did Tesla need them? What's better about them? Everything will be talked about in this video, so stay tuned till the end. But before we begin, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. Also, to never miss out on our informative and exciting videos, make sure to press the bell icon so you get notified for our uploads. So, let's get right into it. Tesla always bought its cells for its batteries from other suppliers which have their own chemistry and structure. For the time being, it worked, but in the long run, Elon Musk didn't think it was such a good idea. In the long run, he discovered that the battery chain supply could cause production problems for the company. Tesla has very specific goals and it has to finish within the target timeframe and in the future. If this continued, the goals wouldn't have been met. Vehicle production process could have slowed down greatly because the company would have had to wait for the battery cells. If this continued like it was, all the ambitious plans Tesla had for growing the company would have gone down. So, to cater to this issue, Tesla wanted to be able to create core components of the batteries themselves instead of relying on third-party suppliers. And that is why Tesla came up with the tabless 4680 batteries. For starters, the commonly used battery is a cylindrical lithium-ion battery, and it makes use of cells with multiple layers. These layers are anode, cathode, and a separator layer between them. The cathode of these batteries is made of aluminum and the anode is made of copper. For both the anode and the cathode, there are current collectors, and any current flowing in or out of the electrode is distributed by these collectors. On these collectors, tabs are welded. These tabs are a bridge between the battery and the external circuit. Lithium-ion batteries have had safety issues in the past, especially vehicle fires and explosions. These tabs really increase the safety and reliability of the batteries. They really reduce the risk of explosions or fires. But if there is a tab defect during the manufacturing process, even that is a huge risk. Two main defects include welding burrs and wrong tab location. If they are not welded right and a welding burr occurs, the separator layer between the two electrodes can disintegrate and cause a short circuit. That can be highly dangerous. So, obviously, tab insertion during the manufacturing process should be done expertly, and that's why Tesla, in the past, needed a battery cell supplier to do it all for them. Also, the insertion of the separator layer between the anode and cathode in itself is a very time-consuming process. This adds up to the delays in the battery manufacturing process, due to the danger and uncertainty due to the tabs. What Tesla has done is remove the need for these tabs. That's why the name tabless 4680 batteries. Instead, these batteries use a conductive portion along with the electrodes. This method makes the distance of electrons to reach the positive and negative sides shorter, so the time for the battery manufacturing process is reduced. Tesla has improved both the battery and manufacturing process. It obviously wasn't an easy task though. Along the way, Tesla had to make use of companies that are fully focused on making batteries. And along with their help and Elon Musk's own intelligence, these batteries came into being. That's not all Tesla changed. Conventional lithium-ion batteries use a graphite anode, but Tesla replaced that with silicon. And not just normal industry-used silicon. Tesla made use of raw metallurgical silicon. The structure of this material doesn't break when energy is passing through it. So with this anode, Tesla can stabilize the surface of the material. Also, instead of the cobalt cathode, Tesla's 4680 batteries use a high nickel cathode. Normally, electric vehicle batteries use a cobalt cathode. The cathode has to be stable enough so that lithium ions can pass through. Cobalt is great for that because it can easily handle high transmissions of lithium ions. But Tesla has decided to use a nickel-manganese structure instead. You might be wondering, why switch when cobalt is great? Well, with nickel manganese, the range the electric vehicle travels can increase by 16%. With the proposed design, not only did Tesla increase the energy capacity by 5 times, but there is also an increase in power. The power is 6 times more than other batteries. The battery would overall make the cars more rigid and safer in case of an accident. Also, according to Tesla, the new 4680 batteries are 56% cheaper than any other battery. Like I mentioned before, these batteries reduce the time it takes for electrons to go from positive to negative side and vice versa. While in old batteries, due to the tabs, the time was longer, which could cause batteries to heat up. So, Tesla's proposed design would also improve the charging time of the battery. And according to Tesla, this charging time can be reduced to as low as 15 minutes. Like always, Elon Musk has come up with something amazing that gives no other company any chance to compete. There's so many improvements that Tesla has made with the new design. Not only will this design enable Tesla to reach its goals, but it would also save up a lot of cost that they spent on the battery suppliers. Even though sometimes people criticize Tesla for having a little too high ambitions and not being able to actually manufacture it, we have to agree the designs the company manufactures are mind-blowing. Tesla plans to use these batteries in the Tesla Model Y. Earlier, the Model Y was designed in Tesla's California factory, but now the new versions of the Model Y being designed in the Texas factory will use these 4680 batteries instead. However, if you think the tablet's 4680 batteries idea is just a speculation as well and won't be able to come into reality, well, you're very wrong. The batteries have started getting designed already. And not only that, they have already started being used in structural packs. A post was shared on Reddit by the Whole Mars blog a few days back that actually said these batteries are ready. And along with the post was a picture of a structural pack that made use of these 4680 battery cells. However, this post was deleted after a short while, so I think someone leaked information they weren't supposed to. But the post obviously spread like wildfire, and it went on Twitter, and apparently, some people confirmed that the post was in fact true. If it is actually true, the battery production process is about to completely change, and clearly for the better. Let's just wait for another post which hopefully won't get deleted. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, peace out.